Welcome, here I've got VIVO V21 5G and I'm gonna show you how to take live photo in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode, so let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we get access to more modes of this camera and one of them is the live photo, so let's pick it. And here we are. Now when we take a picture, we should get 2-in-1, the photo and the short clip, so let's try to use that. Maybe let me give more space to my camera and let's take a photo. Now let's move back to this view. To see the photo we have to move to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is how the picture looks like. To see the short clip we have to tap on it a little bit longer. And this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.